Welcome everybody to today's workout video to move, burn, and live better. And to do that, we're going to learn a new exercise. We're going to put a twist on a Navy Seal Burpee. Now, a traditional burpee you're familiar with is you squat, kick your legs back out into a plank, and then jump back up. The Navy Seal version is when you drop down into your squat, you kick back out into a plank, then you do a push-up, then you bring your right leg up, kick it back, do a push-up, bring your left leg up, kick it back, do another push-up, and then jump up. So to elevate that, we added in a rotation. So you're going to drop down, kick back out, do a push-up, then bring your right knee cross body, rotate to your left elbow, kick it back out straight, do a push-up, then bring your left knee to your right elbow cross body, kick that back out, then do another push-up, and then jump up. And that's one. So that rotation really fires up your obliques, a little more work on your shoulders, your triceps, your back. So let's get to it. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that Navy Seal Burpee with a twist. If you did, give us a like or a comment down below. We'll keep them coming at you.